Oh, we need to go stand in the doorways. Go get Granny Green. Jan, it's an earthquake. Come stand in the shower.
Is it an earthquake or what?
Yeah, it's an earthquake.
It's an earthquake.
Oh, good.
I'm gonna call Liberty. Where are you? What's happening?
All
Is
right.
it still going? I can't tell.
I don't feel it is going still. You stand right here across from Grandma. I'll stand in the closet.
I thought it was a washing machine.
Is it still going?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Our house is completely swaying.
I'm calling it. Oh my god.
Where are you standing? You need to get underneath a door frame.
It's very disorienting. You look like I'm on a boat.
It does feel like a boat.
That was crazy. Everything was bouncing around.
And we're still, look at the curtains in the window, Kate Miriam.
Huh?
Do you see the blinds in the curtain?
Yeah, it's done.
The blinds are swaying. No, they're not. It's not done.
I was gonna get nauseous. That's what I said. I'm actually standing in the doorway of the house, like from the outside to the inside, because I was.
It's still swaying. Can you still feel it?
Yeah, it's disorienting.
Miriam, please get under something.
Is she has she seriously not moved?
She's been wandering around the living room.
Are you kidding me,
Well, look at your dad.
Miriam?
Where's Brian?
The couch was literally moving up and down. I know, what a roller coaster ride. It's still going.
It is still going. The blinds are still swaying.
Well, Mom, I also have the door open.
No, Katie, the blinds are swaying.
Oh. It's still going. The blinds.
It is.
It stopped. The water on the table stopped. Is it?
No, because it's still swaying. The ground is still swaying.
No, it's